So maybe I'm going to repeat two elements. Just 1 second. What is it called? Elements that go sensation and stimulation. Only two elements. Man possesses two types of a positive virtue: intellectual virtues and ethical virtues. And conversely, two types of failings. The intellectual virtue relates to the element of conceptualization. They include A, wisdom. There is a knowledge of the immediate and distant causes for the entity that we are investigated. B, intellect. There is abstract thought. This is an innate quality. It refers to the basic comprehension of the idea. Acquiring the knowledge stems from it. Okay, we're going to explain all these things. This is not the place for detailed discussion of this issue. And the last one, clarify of understanding, the ability to perceive concept immediately, or at least quickly. Okay, so let's do this piece from the beginning, and we're going to explain. Man possesses two positive virtues: intellectual virtues and ethical virtues. So these are two separate things, right? Intellectual virtue and ethical virtue, right? Okay. And conversely, two types of failings. So he does not say which ones. The intellectual virtues are related to the elements of conceptualization. They include intellectual virtue. A, wisdom. There is knowledge of the immediate and distant causes for an entity that we are investigating. So it's very interesting. So what is a wisdom? So the wisdom, it's a knowledge of immediate distant causes for an entity that we investigate. So you know how the things work. So you know that water is wet, right? And if you go outside and it's raining, so you're going to get wet. So this is wisdom, right? That person can draw the conclusion what is going to happen if I'm going to do that. So it's on the physical level, right? B, intellect. There is abstract thought. This is the innate quality. It refers to the basic comprehension of the idea. So basic comprehension of idea, as we said before, we gave this example. Your friend is describing something that you have never seen, and you can comprehend, you can imagine what he's talking about. Acquired knowledge stems from it. Okay, right? So, but many times in order to comprehend something, you must have like basic knowledge, and the more knowledge that you have, the easier for you to imagine things. This is not the place for the detailed discussion of this issue. Okay, continue. And C, clarifying and understanding, the ability to perceive concept immediately or at least quickly. So clarity of understanding. So meaning the clarity of understanding when somebody is telling you things and you have like, even, okay, let's put it this way. We're talking about the way I see this. It's a new material. So you have never heard about these concepts before, whatever is it, right? But based on your knowledge, right? And let's say that the material was presented. It's in a very good comprehensible level, right? So it's clarity of understanding, like how fast you're going to understand and how clear you're going to understand what was said. Okay, so the failings associated with the power, the failings associated with this power are the converse of this positive virtues. So like if person does not have this understanding and wisdom, he cannot predict what is going to happen if I'm going to do this and that. So that's, as we understand, it's all of the stems from a bad virtue, or they affect the bad virtues of the person because he or she does not see the consequences and does not understand the concept. you.